Hey, good to see you now. Picture this, you hit the power button, and the EVO-X2 hums to life. The screen glows, windows pop open instantly, and for once, nothing slows you down. That right there is the kind of system you deserve. If you're the kind of person who demands speed, efficiency, and power, who knows that compromise is just wasted potential, this is for you. People who aren't satisfied with good enough. You want responsiveness. You want freedom. You want control. Before we go deeper, check the link below for current price and availability. Machines this packed often swing in stock and pricing. Maybe you've felt it already. Editing a big project only to stare at the loading wheel. Running heavy workloads and feeling bottlenecks. Or just plain waiting for apps to load, for files to transfer. That moment you realize this machine is holding you back. Switching to the EVO-X2, everything feels immediate. There's no lag. No waiting. Programs open the instant you click. Large files copy in a flash. Multitasking becomes natural. It doesn't feel like you're dealing with hardware anymore. It feels like you're working without boundaries. Imagine editing 4K footage while rendering plus streaming on multiple screens smoothly. Or packing insane RAM and storage, so nothing stutters even with 128 GB memory and a huge PCIe SSD backing you up. Every task resolves quickly, reliably. And the feeling here isn't just about performance numbers. It's about freedom. About being able to create, compute, multitask, and it just works. Once you taste that no compromise flow, anything slower feels like chained wrists. If you're thinking of it seriously, check the link now. Don't wait for weird price jumps or stock dips that always show up at bad times. Maybe you wonder, is this overkill? Do you need so much power? But every time you touch your old PC, you remember why you felt the need for an upgrade. Bottlenecks, slowdowns, waiting. And you realize you don't have to accept that anymore. You'll also get benefits you didn't expect. Instant responsiveness, for one. A quiet machine that doesn't choke under pressure. A workspace that keeps up with your flow, no matter how heavy or messy. It elevates your routine. And owning something like this feels different. You sit down, boot it up, and you know, you've built a setup built for ambition, for serious work, not for compromises. Tasks resolve faster. Work feels smoother. Workflow becomes seamless. Stress fades when you don't have to wait. Performance becomes effortless. If there's a downside, it might be you'll expect this level of power everywhere, monitors, peripherals, even environment, to match what you built. But that's a price worth paying when you're serious. Eventually, you stop comparing. You recognize that you don't need to hunt for alternatives, you already found what fits. If you're ready to stop settling and start performing, check the link below and secure the EVO-X2 while it's ready. This is the upgrade you'll celebrate every day.